Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lydia's Kitchen. My name is Lydia. If today is your first time here, and I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be making Gari. Gari is one of Ghana's popular street food, and I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. To my new and returning subscribers, welcome back once again to my channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you haven't done so. So let's get started. So I'll begin by cutting and peeling the cassava. I'll give it a very good wash and then I'll cut it into smaller tiny pieces. Then we will continue from there. At this point, I'll continue by transferring them into a blender. I'll add some water to help it blend until it's very smooth. At this point, I'm going to transfer the blended cassava into a fine cheesecloth to strain the liquid from it. So I'll now pull the cheesecloth together and I'm going to squeeze it very well until all the liquid is out. And you have to make sure all the liquid is out and the cassava is completely dry. I'll now transfer it into a bowl, and because it still have some excess water, I'll transfer them into a potato masher to squeeze out the excess water until it's very dry. So I found this in my local shop. If you don't have one, you can have a look in your local shop. It helps a lot with the squeezing. And also you can let the cassava sit for a day or two for it to ferment, so it will taste a little bit sour. But if you don't want it to be sour, you can just proceed and continue to fry your gari. For the next process, I'm going to use this fine strainer to strain it again and to get a fine texture. And as you can see, we now have a very fine grainy gari. So we are going to proceed by frying the gari on a medium heat until it's very dry and grainy. And if you have watched it until this far, thank you all so much. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share. And before adding in the gari, you have to make sure the saucepan is very hot before you add it in. And also once you add the gari, you have to continue to fry it, and remember not to leave it unattended, because once you leave it unattended it will burn. So you have to continue frying it until it's very dry. So I've been frying this for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now our gari is almost done. It's now very dry and grainy. And it's also looking beautiful. And now our gari is all done and looking very beautiful. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Just look at this gari. It's looking so beautiful. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you like this recipe. Gari can be eaten in so many ways. You can use gari for your gari photo, eba, gari soakings, a lot. So I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Stay blessed and have a nice weekend, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.